2016 Nissan Sentra, changing radiator. I already took it out already. I'll show you guys how to get to it. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 little clips. You pop those out, take a flathead, go there, and you pop it out. Let me give you one for example. Alright, so that's, see that? Goes in flat. So you take a flathead, pop it up. That's how you get all of that. Alright, you're gonna take that out, raise this up. You're gonna have 12 nuts holding this corner right here. See that? Yeah. That's the front support. Take off these two 12s. Put the 1, 2. Same thing for the other side. 1, 2. So you take that off, the whole rack front support is gonna move and it's gonna come back. Alright, so once that comes back, that's the radiator you want. So you radiator jump forward and you pull it up. You know you're gonna have to take off the hose on the radiator before you attempt that. Alright, there'll be a hose coming here. There'll be a hose coming here, bolting onto it, and you're gonna see something like this on top the fan strout. Alright, I'll show you guys one. For you to take out the condenser, the AC condenser, you're gonna lift this side first. You're gonna have 2 10 bolts, one on this side, one on this side. That's for the AC condenser. Take off those 2 bolts and you just pull the side up here, the right side up first. The way you're facing the vehicle, the right side, for your right hand side, you pull this up. Once you pull this up, this side here, this little piece of lip cover, no, like L bracket, you push it forward and it comes right out. And obviously you guys know the hose, you're going to take off that. Alright, I'm going to show you when it's completed, so you have an idea, you know, it's the same car you're dealing with. See this little hook right here? Let's see if I can shine the light. Alright, this is 1. Push this back. Push this all the way back. If you're working by yourself, you gotta take a flathead screwdriver, push it in here, bend it back. You gotta do it for up here, and you gotta do it for down here. You need a flathead screwdriver. Let me see this one and go in. Alright. So you gotta take a flathead screwdriver, put it here, put it down here. See where I'm moving? You're gonna flex like that. So put it there, both sides. See right here? See that flex? Little flathead right there. Push it back.
As your one-stop source, we deliver everyday savings on over 1,000,000 square feet of in-stock flooring, tools, and installation materials. See how our flooring experts can help save you time and money with our best-in-class selection at rock-bottom prices. And with pro-level benefits like our dedicated pro service team, pro hotline, premier financing, and unbeatable pro loyalty program, you get what you need, when you need it, where you need it. Come discover Floor and Decor, where we know pro.
Layers, they're being shared. Inflatable flamingos, they're being inflated. Things are heating up. It's spring, and sexual adventures await. Choose them wisely with Trojan brand condoms. Feel your best. Get feeling something.
I feel good when you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing solo like a song. Feel good, all feel good, and it goes for you in the hand. See, once you put the flathead screwdriver there, you could just lift it up. Alright, see that? You have to put a flathead screwdriver, now it's off. Plus, wine some